India in danger. Assam Mizoram clash. Northeast suffering. Houses were burned. Shops were set on fire. Locals beaten and forced to leave the places. Welcome to the Voice of You. This is your host Harshit Dhingon, and today we are going to talk a very important issue, that is a recent clash between Assam and Mizoram. Yes, my friends, and many of you might be thinking that why should we care, and especially the people from the mainland. Yes, आपको लगता होगा कि मुझे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? Why should I listen to this story or this incident or issue? But let me tell you, my friend, फर्क पड़ता है, and you should care because Northeast is a part of India, and India is somehow suffering that we all are talking and always watching in news. Those things are rape, crime, and many anti-social things, and we need to tap on that. And yes, today watch the video till the end and you will understand why this is so important. These clashes are very common in the border areas of the northeast states attached to Assam. And yes, in last 1 week it already happened 2 times. One in Scholarship district of Mizoram and second happened on 9th of October in Mamit district of Mizoram. And to know more about it, let's watch this report. About the cause of the conflict between Mizoram and Barak Valley, Assam. On 9th of October 2020, the government official from Karimganj, Assam, torched the farmhouses, destroyed the crops belonging to Mr. John and Ben, both residents of Thinglun village in Mizoram. It is observed that the government officials and some people from the border side of Assam had the audacity to cross the state borders and destroyed property of innocent and hard-working farmers in Mizoram. Mizoram and Assam shares a border that runs 164 kilometers, which is still a disputed area. Due to the unchecked influx of illegal immigrants from Bangladesh who have decided to settle in this area, there have been occasionally hostilities arising from the illegal encroachment of these immigrants into the areas that lie well within the border of Mizoram state. As per many local people have said that this all is happening just because of corruption, and many illegal immigrants are trying to enter. Looking at this, the strength of the security forces at the Mizoram border was increased on 17th of October. So now you know what is the real reason behind it. It is illegal immigrants who are trying to enter the different part of northeast states through the border of Assam. Yes, my friends, and these things are happening quite often, and that's the reason why now we have to speak about it, because now this is not just a local issue, not a national issue, it's an international issue, because the people are trying to enter India from Bangladesh side, and you and me, we have to make the difference. And let's know more statistics about these illegal immigrants. And let me first of all tell all my friends from the complete India that if they are thinking that Bangladeshi immigrants are not present in the mainland, they are wrong. Yes, let me tell you with this recent statistics in the Delhi, the capital city of India itself, there are more than 6 to 7 lakh illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. Yes, and it's a fact. And if we talk about the northeast states, you can consider it more than 5 times as well. That is more than 30 to 40 lakhs as well. The reason why it shares the borders with Bangladesh, and that's why it becomes so easy to enter India, either sometimes from the part of Tripura or Assam. So let me first of all show you one clip of one of the YouTuber Carl, and you can see how the people are trying to enter India from the Tripura side as well.
Any further, we're gonna meet the army, right? Do you want to meet them?
Yeah, I want to go.
Chal, let's go meet them. Let's go and see if we can make it into Bangladesh.
Okay.
But I heard you can buy an Aadhaar card, so it should be okay. So Tripura is a bit of a gateway if you want to get into India, and you can buy your fake documents here, your Aadhaar card, any kind of Indian identification you need. I mean, there are reasons why these people are leaving Bangladesh. I don't know what they are, so I'm not going to judge them or anything. They're doing what's best for them. But I mean, the corruption around creating Aadhaar cards and that kind of stuff shouldn't be happening, right?
Just because of these illegal immigrants, these kind of clashes become very normal, not just in about Mizoram. One incident we observed in Nagaland as well. Our boy warrior, or you can say the boy reporter from Nagaland, he sent us this link of the video in which we can see that Assam authorities, or with the help of local people, were trying to remove this barrier or the boundary the people created to save their land from illegal immigrants and the people who were trying to enter these places. These immigrants are not only creating problems for Northeast, but it is a big problem for complete India, because these immigrants do not have any emotions with the native people who are staying in Northeast or India. They do not have any emotions for the development of the country India, and that's the reason why rapes are increasing, thefts are increasing, murders are increasing, the crime rate is rising high day by day. Who gonna stop it? Who gonna take the action? Who gonna stop these people from raping the innocent tribal girls living in the northeast part of India? Who is going to take action against those people who are trying to help them enter the different part of Northeast and Mizoram as well? With the help of some local people and authorities, these illegal immigrants are trying to make their places in different part of Northeast, and this is creating a big problem for the local people. Now this is the time to take action, and let's know more what we can do, and these are the solutions. So, what could be the solution for these kind of disputes at the state borders? First, make a state border dispute committee so that these kind of incidents could be resolved amicably with the support of the people and in a peaceful way. Second, increase security and create the exit and the entry point with a solid foundation. Either it should be a gate or either it should be some kind of a barrier, so that people should know which is their boundary, and these kind of illegal activities can be stopped. This is the time we need to take action, and this is the time we need to make a committee or a team that specially find all these immigrants and try to send them back to their native place, Bangladesh. Yes, this is the time to take action. This is the time to take these steps. And the most important thing, these things are happening again and again because of all these incidents. Tripura is suffering. These rape incidents are increasing day by day. And yes, this is all happening because of illegal immigrants from Bangladesh. These illegal immigrants are the major reason of rapes, murders and thefts. Because of all these, crime rate is increasing day by day in India. Now is the time for you, me and all of us. I request my brothers and sisters in the northeast part, especially in Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, to share this video as much as possible. Create awareness, create change. Let's make northeast safe, let's make India safe, and let's help the humanity win. Love always win. We need to fight for the justice, for the complete humanity. We need to create change in the society, and I request the authorities to help the local people to resolve the issue. I come with the next video next time, and if you want to be a part of my life and my family, which I call the Army of Love, you can just hit the subscribe button and join. Why? And we are going to raise the voice for you. We are going to bring change in the lives of people, and we have already done it in past as well. So join the family, and I gonna say you hi if you're gonna message me on Instagram as well. Stay in touch, stay happy. I'll come with the next video next time. See you. India in danger. Assam Mizoram clash. Northeast suffering. Houses were burned. Shops were set on fire. Locals beaten and forced to leave the places.